Alright, you guys, if you have cables that look like that, just replace them. And this end is the same way. I got Jorge here with this boat. Yeah, if you got cables that look like that on the end, just replace them. What's going on, everybody? Hey, this is a 50. No, it's 70. I'm sorry. Same deal. Lower unit. Putting it back on. So I thought I'd maybe show this because I got a little handy dandy stand I made. Sprayed it up, brought it out here. Got these ratchet straps. Just take your ratchet strap. Let it go around the lower unit right here. And then back up to the handle. Okay, and it's not a lot of pressure, believe me. So what you just line everything up. You know, you got a water tube you have to line up. It's kind of lined up, and then when you have a problem with your shift shaft, because you're going to well, you may not, I don't know why I'm saying that, but I got a pair of these little vice grips. They look like that, and right up in here you can grab a hold of that shift shaft. When you get it on there, you can actually push down and it'll go right on. So I gotta remove it now because I gotta put this bolt on, but get a couple bolts started, and then you have this. And to get it lined up down here, okay, so down in here is where you connect your shift shaft, and then there's a bolt that's here and one that's way over here. Okay, this thing to be in, and it's weird, it looks weird because of the camera, but this is gonna be like right in the middle, and that's your neutral. So when we put the neutral on, we may have to adjust it some. Right now it's in neutral, so it's ready to go up. And then what I did is I got something to turn the flywheel because I'm way up here. So I just got a 5/16, and this is a 1/2-inch drive. Man, unfortunately, all that was probably terrible. So I just have a 1/2-inch drive, turn the flywheel. And that's 15/16. And then down here you'll notice the shift linkage. Okay, and it's right there's where you connect that in location to be in neutral. There's two bolts. There's this one and then the one back here beside it. I'm sorry. Right? And this little notch has to line up with those bolt holes. Now it looks a little weird because, you know, I'm pointing out from a certain direction, but that little connection right there and that second bolt holes, and that's going up the power head, like this bolt hole, they're all in line. See, the second ones you wouldn't go by, but it's this one right here. And then this thing, get a couple bolts on it, and you can go ahead and start bringing it on up. Once we get like some pressure off of it, then I mean, this one's already on there, so and this one they made not wide, like when you turn the bolt, they should have made this a little wider. Mercury had a good thing, I always messed it up. It's a great engine except for that one little detail. See, like that almost brought it all the way up. And then you want to come to the other side, you know, bounce back and forth. Anyway, you get the idea. So I'm putting this back on. I gotta put some gear oil in it, change the gear oil, and put the prop back on it, tighten it down to specs. Alright, so on these locking tabs that you have for your lower unit, when you put your prop on, do yourself a favor so that when you torque this thing down right, you straighten out these little locking tabs. So otherwise it's a big cover pain. And we'll knock them back in once we get it torqued down right. But let's pull your locking tabs up. Now you can put it on the lower unit, put our bolt on. Torque wrench. I think most of these are we're going to be at 45 foot-pounds, I think is what we want to go to. Got a board here. And I think we got the trim pump is leaking. It's leaking down. I'll fill it back up and see if one of those seals or if it just doesn't have enough fluid. Check that manual relief valve, make sure it's working right. Usually a manual relief valve will do that. Yeah, seems pretty tight. Where are we at? That's it. Alright. That's done. I think that was what, inch and an eighth. I think most of them are inch and an eighth. That's what I think most of these are. Anyway, inch and an eighth. Put this up. I guess I'm gonna have to try to figure out. Fill that up. See, I don't see anything leaking. I think it's just low. For some reason. Yeah, because I don't see anything leaking. One thing when they're leaking like that, you know, like they're going down, you could check. I mean, it's tight. Yeah, I don't want to mess it up. Yeah, it's tight. So, I don't have any ATF plus 4. I just have to get some, or do I? I don't know. I don't know if I do or I don't. I'm gonna watch this move in and out. So this will be idle stop. So it's gotta move in. That'd be spark stop. That's fourth throttle, so it's got to go that way. That would be right there. So let's see what we got. It's so weird. Oh yeah, I'll try it, I guess. Seems crazy. These cables are paid. Not too bad to figure them out. See, like that's gotta go back. So this would be wide open. Alright, let's see here. Let's see if I can get it. have to figure out what's going on in the remote. That's a bummer. Well, we got this one done. Sorta. He's like, hey, I gotta go out of town. I got a family thing. You know? I was like, well, I didn't know I was under a timeline. Anyway, here we are, you know. Well, buddy, I mean, I don't know. I'll tell you. I'll try to get it done. I mean, I want it done. I want to get paid. You know what I mean? See if this lasts, if it falls off. Adjust that throttle cable hair or so. Yeah, I thought I had it. Guess not. It's kind of hard to start the second time around. It should have just fired right up. That figures.